I'm sure you've heard the news. 5 strategies for 2025. Feeling stuck, broke, or anxious about the future? Yeah, I get it. The economy feels like a roller coaster right now, and a lot of people are feeling that same pinch. You're not alone. But here's the truth, you can still make money in this market, even if it feels like everything's on fire. It's about being smart, strategic, and honestly, a little bit scrappy. This isn't about burning yourself out with hustle or just crossing your fingers and hoping for the best. This is about getting clear on what you can offer, aligning it with what people need right now, and taking action. Look, times are tough and people are overwhelmed. They need help, but they might not have the budget for a big investment. That's where you come in. What small, fast help can you offer? Can you design a killer Canva graphic in a few hours? What about organizing someone's calendar and making them feel like a productivity ninja? Maybe you can offer a 30-minute clarity session and help someone untangle a problem that's been keeping them up at night. These micro problems, these little headaches that people are desperate to get rid of, those are your golden tickets. And the best part? You can start right where you are, with what you already know. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are booming with people looking for these exact services. You can even start with your existing network, just putting the word out on social media or sending a few emails. Remember, providing a service, even a small one, opens doors. It builds trust, it gets you testimonials, and it gets money flowing. Don't underestimate the power of solving micro problems. Let's talk about leverage, people. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and they can sell while you sleep, while you eat, while you binge watch your favorite show. It's passive income, baby. Think about what you know and what people need. Can you create stunning Canva templates that people can use to up their social media game? How about guided meditations for stress relief, or journaling prompts for self-discovery? Maybe you're a Notion wizard and can create a planner that will make people's lives feel 10 times more organized. Even a short ebook packed with valuable insights can be a winner. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy make it ridiculously easy to sell digital downloads. You can even use Google Drive and send a payment link. Remember, your digital offering isn't just a file. It carries your energy, your intention, your unique vibe, and people can feel that. That's what makes it special. Chapter 3. Share what you know. What's something you're good at, something that feels easy and natural to you? Chances are someone out there is willing to pay you to teach them that very thing. Don't overthink this. Maybe you're an Excel whiz, a master of Instagram reels, or you've got a knack for teaching breathwork techniques. Maybe you found a journaling practice that helps with anxiety, and you know you can guide others to find that same peace. Here's the key. Start small. Offer 3 free sessions to get your feet wet, build confidence, and rack up some testimonials. Once you've got a few happy campers singing your praises, transition to paid. You don't need to charge an arm and a leg right out of the gate. Even $10 a session is a great starting point. The important thing is to get comfortable with the exchange of value. And guess what? You don't need fancy branding or a website to get started. All you need is a clear result you can offer, a way to connect with people, and the willingness to show up and share your knowledge. Chapter 4. Collaborate and cross-promote. Look, building a business, even a small one, can feel lonely sometimes. But it doesn't have to be that way. Collaboration is where the magic happens. Think about it, 2 heads are better than 1, right? So find someone who's got a skill, an audience, or a product that complements yours, and team up. Do a live session together, create a mini course bundle, or interview each other on your respective platforms. It's all about cross-pollinating your audiences and expanding your reach. Remember, this isn't a zero-sum game. There's enough abundance to go around for everyone. Prosperity grows through collaboration, not competition. So ditch the scarcity mindset and embrace the power of partnership. You'll be amazed at the opportunities that unfold when you start working together. Chapter 5. Cut the noise, focus hard. Here's the cold, hard truth. If you're trying to do 5 things at once, you're going to end up getting nowhere fast. It's like trying to juggle 5 chainsaws while riding a unicycle on a tightrope. Not a good look. So, here's what you need to do. Pick one offer, one focus, and go all in for 30 days. Share it on your social media. Talk about it with your friends and family. Refine it based on the feedback you get. Deliver it with passion and confidence. Ask yourself this: what is one thing I can share or sell daily starting today? Just one thing. That's it. Clarity creates momentum. When you're laser focused on one thing, the universe has a funny way of clearing the path and bringing you the resources and opportunities you need to succeed. Chapter 6. Your time to thrive. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it, things might be uncertain right now. Markets crash, jobs disappear, that's the nature of the game. But your voice, your value, your clarity, that's timeless. That's what people are craving. So don't wait for the perfect time to start building something for yourself. This is your moment. Start small, start now, you're not behind. You're being guided, trust that. Repeat after me. I attract the right people and opportunities when I act with calm and courage, believe it. If this video helped you, subscribe for more videos that help you earn with purpose, stay grounded, and thrive, even when the world feels uncertain. Tap the notification bell to stay updated and join our community of like-minded individuals aiming for growth and success. Remember, your journey is unique and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Stay inspired, stay focused, and let's thrive together.